What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to change the color on the dash of a 2025 Hyundai Palisade. So taking a look at our dash, you can see the outline, the borders, that blue color. And there's a few other options that we can change it to. So coming over to our center screen, first thing I'm going to do is press the home button right here in the upper left-hand corner. Once we get to the home menu, then I'm going to click Setup. Once we get to the setup screen, I'm going to click Vehicle. From here, I'm going to click Cluster, and then Cluster Theme Selection. So you can see the A, and that's kind of that blue color. And if we come down here and click B, it's kind of a reddish color. And then the third option, C, is a green. So that's how you can select between those three colors. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.